Okay, so everyone, welcome back to your second section and see you again in this section. Teacher would like you to review again on page 74, everyone. And today you are going to study about the grammar here related to adverb. Before moving to the next slide, you can go back to the previous one with some vocabulary that you have learned, like the word picture, spectator, astonish, coach, comparison, inspire, capable, and disability, right? That you have learned yesterday. And now let's talk about relative adverb like where and when. Okay, where and when can act as relative adverb, connecting relative clause to noun. Where introduce, the relative clause of place, and when introduce relative clause of time. Like other relative clause, this can be defined as non-defining. Okay, so you can see between when talk about the place and where talk about the place and when talk about the time, right? But it is not a function as WA question, it function as a relative adverb. Okay, if it is about relative adverb, it is used in the it used in dependent clause. Okay, so not a single sentence, but it link between the two sentence. Example like this is this the stadium where the Yaki play. He went to college where he continue improving his skill. About dream of the day when he would play in a big league. We met in 2016 when we both started high school. Okay, and this is about the way of using the when and where, everyone. Make sure that you can use just remember that the times and place. Okay, anyway, we gonna go to the practice here, everyone. You can see the first one, like the summer is the season where when people play basketball. So the season, consider the season about the place or about the time. Season is the time, right? Okay, so the time it fall into when. Okay, number two, here the field at where and where. We don't use at where because of we cannot use preposition plus with relative word like where and. Okay, but some other word relative pronoun is about in which, in what, to whom, with whom we can use it, but at where we don't use it. Practice. So where. Okay, number three, tell me about the town where in where. We don't use in where, we use where. Okay, number four, the song was popular in 1999 when I was born. So the answer here, everyone. Okay, when, where, and when. The last one, everyone. Let's put the word in the order to make the sentence. Like we have the first one, restaurant work is where the crowded he always. So the organizing the sentence here, the restaurant where he work is always crowded. Okay. Number two, that was the moment when he decided to become an athlete. And number three, there were many times when my coach inspired me. Okay, so it comes to the end of your second section, and the second section, the main important point is using relative adverb like where and when. Okay, in the sentence. So thank you very much, everyone, for your paying attention, and see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.